We are beginning week 2 for content area reading. This week we're going to talk about supplemental materials for teaching content reading. After completing each of the assigned learning activities this week, you should be able to understand the role of trade books in supplementing textbooks, investigate information sources available for use with content reading, determine the definition of dyslexia, research and determine appropriate reading strategies for students diagnosed with dyslexia, locate and contact a community library to determine resources available for teachers in the content areas. You are to read chapters 4, 8, and 9 of Daniels and Semmelman text, and review the PowerPoint and activities for week 2. When you create your Word document for your PowerPoint responses, please make sure that you submit that no later than 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. You have 6 responses this week. The first one is to explore the services available for teachers at your local library, and you may either call or visit the library to get this information. Response 2, why do we use literature or other supplemental resources in addition to or in lieu of the textbook? Your third response, why do we read aloud in the content area classes and or subjects? Your fourth response is to share a short summary of an article or website you located for information on content area reading book clubs. Okay, so the summary is response 4. Response 5 is to either attach a copy of the article or a link to the website where it can be found. Response 6 is your definition of dyslexia. Again, remember that your PowerPoint responses are due no later than Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Discussion forums are also due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Your initial response should be 250 to 500 words and posted no later than Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. That response is worth 10 points. You must also respond to at least 2 of your other classmates, with each of your peer responses being worth 5 points for a total of 10. Your peer responses should be at least 150 words in length. Please be sure that you are using accurate APA citations and references. If you are unsure, please check the APA Style Guide, which can be found on Moodle. The number of points received will be reflected in the overall depth and quality of your responses, total word count relative to the required minimum amount, and adherence to the weekly deadlines for discussion forum postings as noted above. Your forum this week is to present a new or interesting idea that you feel will improve your teaching based upon your reading of chapters 4, 8, and 9 of Subjects Matter. Please remember that you should be using scholarly sources in your responses. And also, when you respond to a peer, be sure to address them by name and with questions that require reflection and their responses in return. Here is my email. Please don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. I want you all to be successful in this class. Thank you.